Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So today is a pretty chill day. We're going to be going to this seafood restaurant that I heard about. I don't know if I can call it a gem because it's kind of hidden. You'll drive past it, you won't even recognize it, but I did hear about it. I heard that it was good. I've been invited here before, but I turned it down. But today I'm going out with one of my friends, Shelly. Shelly, we were supposed to link up on that Blue Mountain trip, but Shelly's kind of picky, but that's kind of good because I kind of want someone who's just as picky as me when it comes on to, you know, the flavors of food. So I'm very interested to find out how she's going to react to the food today at this place. Shelly I knew from like 2007, you know, college and whatever the case is. So she's going to be hanging with me. Big shout out to Shelly because Shelly has been like a really huge supporter of the channel, in the sense that, you know, once she found out that I was YouTubing, like, she followed the channel and she kept always like posting on her Snapchat or on her Instagram without me even asking. And people like those are the people that I like to keep around me. I don't keep a lot of friends. You guys might notice, apart from like Matthew, probably is the only like friend that you've seen from me like in a vlog, and that's because I keep my circles very small and I don't really go out that often. But today's a bit different. I'm gonna be hanging with Shelly and we are about to taste this food. I hope it's good. I hope I don't disappoint you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip.
Yo, how much on it? Give me one of drops them. Give me one of drops. Classic peanut drops, you know. How much is it? 100? No, it drops, a sweet one. Thanks. This is a classic. Eh? Yo, Shelly, I said me short.
You are short.
At all.
You are short.
How tall are you?
I haven't seen you in years.
Years. When was the first time I see you? First time I meet you?
2007.
I see them tell that big night vlog.
Right.
So they know something like me I tell, but yo, we're there, you know. Yeah, so we're there at Enter the Dragon. I'm there, so I try to find the dragon, although I can't find him. I don't want a dragon bite me, but so if you're not curious, I'm gonna try to show you guys like really quick so you don't want to get lost. So if you come around here, you're gonna think it's just a regular like neighborhood or whatever, because you're gonna see a house like that greenhouse, and then that's the road off from Portmore. I'll probably put it on a map so you guys can see. But on that side, that's where the back road is, you know, where they say the whole prostitution and yeah. So anyway, this is where we are. You're gonna see a boat right there and another boat there, and then of course one thing that won't be able to be moved is this, what is this, like a sea waterfront maybe? Yeah, so this is somewhere where the boat comes off or whatever. I'm not gonna pretend like I know what I'm talking about, but once you see that, you know you're there. So yeah, let's enter the dragon. Alright, so you see it, welcome to the dragon. Where dragon? Still not finding him. But yeah, a lot of people are here. You see me? Quite a bit of people are here, to be quite frank. Alright, cool. So if I'm to be honest, here is a bit confusing, but I think some of the better places are very rustic in that way, where nothing all that organized. It feels more like a regular like street food kind of stop off type of thing. So I really hope it live up to the name, right? I hope the dragon will blow fire. I hope the dragon hot. And I'm gonna try to figure out what is on the menu right now so that you guys can see. Alright, dragon up.
Them things are before, you know.
Huh?
I normally check the menus before.
No.
But I never do it this time.
Freaking ATM now. So if you don't pick up the rake as yet, like that restaurant is cash only. So if you go there with a credit card or a debit card. So right now the next ATM will go, not working. So we're going to the NCB that's down there as well. So again guys, walk with a cash You understand? Chelsea never walk with cash because of work and blah blah blah. And
Not even this evening, what kind of work?
yeah, she thought it was in the evening. That mean you just left from work and met the flip. So that's the pay right now. And all my smell is just like jerk chicken on the road and all of that time. I can't get none. Rough.
Forum Hotel is? The old Forum Hotel, Portmore. You know back road? Portmore?
Alright guys, so I just got the what do you call it? Oh my god, what did I get? This kind of I got a ginger skelly and Shelly got shrimp. What kind of shrimp?
Curry shrimp.
She got curry shrimp, I got fried bammy. And yeah, I'm kinda excited about it. I had shrimp, I had lobster this week already, but I wanna see if this one is better than the fish that I normally go to. Let's see. Alright, so I'm pretty much there, so sit down and think. Oh wait, some people eat some crab and it look really good. Like I swear, I think I should have ordered the crab, but like I don't normally like eating crab for like dinner. You see me? Some of them normally snack fun, so I don't know. But I go fast and ask them. Yo, is that crab good?
Yeah.
It's good? They said it's good. I feel jealous. But yeah, we're just there, so chill. So as you guys can see, like, we do it to the waterfront little thing, you see me? I like that vibe too, because it make you know, so you, well, it make you feel like the fish are well fresh. Kind of close to their yard, you know? You're so close to their house, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're there, so I go and easy back, you see me? And I want a little reason. Yeah, I want to eat.
The whole thing about the parties, the beach, the Jamaica, you see the thing that you don't think you have to cut it. I maybe shorten it if you want.
I've tried to shorten the intro, but it's just like...
Me not think if you cut none at all, because normally you do one little something and then that come in and then you know say it's going to stop. I watch it all the time. You invited the people there.
I bet something slice bread.
Boy, you love for Malta.
So yeah, just look over to the wise. We've been waiting here for probably like an hour. You see me? And there's not a lot of people here. There's just like, there's two guys ahead of us. And I'll know 1 hour. It's crazy. But yeah, just a heads up. Whenever you guys come here, just order from way before. And I did hear that before, that you should order from way out, but like, you know, it is what it is. Come on, I'm talk the right time. Talk the right time. This is the lobster, yeah. So here we got the lobster, guys, and we have the bammy. It's a good look. Alright, so I like this presentation, the fact that they kind of, you know, cut it up and everything. It's a good look. And then the bammy over there, so I mean, forget another Malta, but food is looking good. Yep.
When you take a little time, like a woman you carry.
There's some nice sauce to it. Sauce is really good. Oh, this is so good. And I love the bammy. Bammy is just nice. Not fried too crusty. It's pretty good. And rub it in this nice sauce. This is a garlic and a scallion and ginger sauce, which is like really good. Wow. Alright, so I just got some rice and I'm gonna put with my lobster. But FYI, yo, we got the bammy. It tasted good, like the first bite or so, but like in the middle, it was raw. So yeah, it was raw. So that's like one downside already for that. I'm ready to rate that. For waiting so long and the food raw, like really. But the lobster is good. Like the flavor of the lobster is really good. Customer service so far, maybe a 5 out of 10.
5? I got that too much.
Thank you. Yeah. But yeah, so far the lobster is good. I love the lobster. Very rich in flavor, nicely spiced. It's good. And I love the presentation of the lobster. I like the fact that it's chopped up. It's easy to deal with. So she got curry shrimp. Is it me waiting for the curry shrimp? Wait there.
Okay, the lobster was better.
Lobster is better, right? Yeah, I make good choices.
Sure.
Yeah, dog. Alright, so the guy that was taking our orders first, like he said, he just came back and he was like, the bammy is like a factory fault. He said like maybe today they got like 4 of them, and I appreciated that from the customer service point of view. Like he was able to like, you know, let me know what's up. I don't have a problem waiting like 1 hour for food really, because if it tastes good, alright, cool. But like when there are problems that arise, like I just want someone to just say, oh, we're sorry, this is what's happening. So with that, I'm appreciative. But the waitress. Alright, crime scene. I'll tell you that straight up that the lobster was really good. It was a really good lobster, well executed, well presented. I loved everything about it. Apart from the other issues that I spoke about, but yeah, very good. And yeah, it was pretty good. I enjoyed it a lot. The food was very good. Next, yeah, the rice. Well, you don't really come to a seafood plate for rice anyway. To tell you a little bit about the business, I think it's Chinese owned, I believe, because like the people inside cooking are Chinese, so you can expect the food to have that kind of style and flavor. You know, it was a bit Asian, which I don't mind because I love Chinese food and thing. I love the vibe over here in terms of it's very cool. You might need to bring a sweater, isn't it? But apart from that, it was really, really good. You hear me? I kind of stiff up a little bit. Yes, spices, release the sinus. It's pretty spicy, but I enjoy that. It wasn't spicy, like it wasn't burning my lips or anything, but like when it went down, okay, no.
It
made my soul, man. So I think it's safe to say that the dragon or the pepper up on the belly. One dragon, let me see over here.